In this video, we will show you 3 amazing uses of vitamin E oil to get glowing skin, remove dark spot and remove acne and pimples. Vitamin E oil can do miracle in your skin, and we will show you how to use vitamin E oil in face to get a glowing and smooth skin. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our future updates. Number 1. Vitamin E oil for remove dark spots. In this process, you will need 2 capsules of vitamin E oil. At first, break the capsules and pour the liquid into your palm. Apply the oil directly to the spot area. Massage it gently and leave it on overnight, and you will get instant result in the next morning. The vitamin E oil works overnight to fade the dark spots and repair the collagen in your skin. Do this for at least 2 to 3 weeks and you will get absolutely spot-free skin. Number 2. Vitamin E oil for glowing skin. In this process, you will need 3 vitamin E capsules, 1 cup smashed papaya and 1 teaspoon honey. Procedure: squeeze the vitamin E capsule and mix the oil with the papaya paste. Add honey to it and blend well. Apply the mask to your face and neck area. Allow it to dry and wash the face with water, and you will notice the real difference. The magical vitamin E capsule face mask makes your skin really soft and glowing. Number 3. Vitamin E for acne. In this process, you will need 2 vitamin E capsules and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix the 2 ingredients well and apply it to the acne and scars. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the next day. Do this regularly until the acne is gone. Vitamin E contains antioxidants that help in repairing the damaged skin cells and making your face beautiful and blemish-free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.